Question number 10. So in a rectangular box with height 2, depth 3, and length 4, what is the length of the longest diagonal? So if we have this box, and we know that our height is 2, so this guy right here is 2, then they're telling us that the depth is 3, and that this side over here is 4. They want to know the length of the longest diagonal. So the longest diagonal of this box is going to be from the back top to the front bottom. What we want to do there is realize that we can create a right triangle if we draw another diagonal from the back bottom over here to the front bottom. And when we do that, what we're creating is a right triangle. You might not think of it as a right triangle based on how it looks here, but anytime you have a line that is perpendicular to a flat plane or a base, any direction that we go with that line is going to make a right angle from here going down that way. So that is a right angle. But we still don't have enough information here to do the Pythagorean theorem. So we have to first get the length of this line from the back bottom to the front bottom. And we can do that using the Pythagorean theorem for this right triangle, because this line and that line also make a right angle. And what you'll notice here is that they threw us a little bone, because if this is 3 and this is 4, that means that our hypotenuse has to be 5. If you didn't realize that, you could always do the Pythagorean theorem there, but by now you should be really familiar with the 3, 4, 5 triangle. So now that we have our hypotenuse, we can then do another Pythagorean theorem, and we would do 2 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. And so if we do that, 4 plus 25 equals c squared equals 29, so c is just going to equal the square root of 29, which is going to be answer choice B for number 10.